The L'OR Barista is a single-serve coffee machine. This machine offers a wide variety of capsule flavors and blends to suit any taste. From light to dark roasts, the L'OR Barista can make 6 different sizes of coffee drinks. It is perfect for crafting anything, from an espresso shot to a latte to iced coffee. The machine automatically detects the type of capsule inserted and adjusts the brew volume to pull the ideal shot. Use the double shot capsule to pull a ristretto shot for 2 cappuccinos, or make an intensified solo espresso just for you. For even more customization, the L'OR Barista Milk Frother lets you create silky foam or heated milk to complement your L'OR coffee creations. Thanks to the frother, you can easily create lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. With its fast heat, quality brewing, and cafe-worthy flavor, the L'OR Barista is an excellent choice for coffee lovers who want the convenience of single-serve paired with an authentic espresso and coffee experience. Order yours today.